And there's no better way to hear about the power of real-time data than from a customer who's doing it well. So I am thrilled to welcome the Chief Technology Officer of Intuit, Mariana Tessel. Mariana!
Over here.
Oh, you're back there. Okay, hold on. I'll be right there.
Whew.
Mariana, here you are. Oh, it's so great to have you here at Signal today.
Hi, Jeff.
You know, today we're talking at Signal about how every company is having to become a digital-first company if you want to compete in this digital economy. And that is the journey that Intuit has been on now for many years, becoming, transitioning from where Intuit started several decades ago now to becoming a digital-first company. So can you just start by telling us a bit about Intuit?
Absolutely. Our mission, let me start there, is to power prosperity around the world. Our customers are consumers, self-employed, and small businesses, and they have many, many challenges. And small businesses, they want to make sure they get customers, they get paid, they get capital. So lots that they're facing. We have over 100 million customers.
Wow.
I know, and our flagship products, you probably know well, TurboTax, QuickBooks, Mint, and Credit Karma. I just want to share with you that 50% of small businesses never make it in the first 5 years.
Ooh.
And actually, Americans have over 14 trillion in debt, and over 60% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. So it's a really big problem, and we're very passionate about our mission.
It is such a good mission to be passionate about because helping to power prosperity for so many people, that is life-changing for individuals, for small businesses. To be successful financially is a prerequisite for so many other things. What an amazing mission. As you become a digital business, pretty quickly you realize you can't just stand up a digital asset and call it a day. The great digital companies personalize those services, and that requires data. At Intuit, how are you building the data substrate to be able to understand your customers and personalize?
Yeah, no, you're so right. Technology changes so much, and consumer expectation completely changed as well. They want products that are sophisticated yet simple and very much personalized. And their expectation of that personalized interaction, it starts from day zero all the way. So from the marketing interaction to the sales interaction to when they use the product. And as you mentioned, personalization is very data hungry. What we're doing is to make sure we understand how data, where we collect the data, how it flows, how we make it available, and how we turn it into meaningful interactions with customers. So very much all about data, all about personalization, all about real time, every step of the way.
Fantastic. And you've been a long-time Segment customer as well, helping to take that data from all the places where it exists and turn it into those real-time insights and actions. So tell us, how do you use Segment?
Segment is a big part of what we do, especially kind of on the marketing side. But let me first start with tell you a little bit about our strategy, which is to become an AI-driven expert platform, a combination of technology and people. And when we say expert, we actually mean expert, like in TurboTax Live, people that we can bring online to help you.
Tax experts.
Absolutely. The point of all of this is personalization takes a lot of forms and a lot of interactions. With all of that, we need to understand actually how customers are moving throughout the products, what are they doing, how they're doing it. So we want to be there with them. And we use Segment to collect clickstream data to make sure we understand what customers are doing. And we have many products. So we want to make sure that when we surface the products for our users, we surface the right product at the right time. More specifically, I want to give you an example of how we actually use Segment. We actually created 450 different audience for this last tax season.
Wow.
And as a result, we've seen an increase of engagement from 20% to 50%.
Whoa, 20 to 50% engagement because you targeted those messages well?
Exactly.
That's amazing, but it also makes a ton of sense, right? If you're blasting the same message out to millions and millions of people who are at very different places in their journey. What do you think is going to happen? That is absolutely amazing. Congratulations.
Absolutely. Not to mention that you just gotta annoy them.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, if you just blast everyone with an annoying message, what happens? They unsubscribe, and then, if you lose your voice to talk to your customer, well, that's the first step towards losing your customer.
Absolutely. You want to use the messages to help your customers, not to annoy them. And that's what we're after.
So obviously the job of a CTO is never done. The job of engaging customers and being a great digital first company is never done. What's next for you and on the roadmap for Intuit?
The first thing is real time. The importance of real time data is just becoming clearer and clearer and clearer. Even a data that is 10 minutes old is obsolete. So we want to make sure
Can't
that
do the nightly loading.
No more batches.
Sunday night batch. Yeah, that doesn't work anymore.
Right. So we've been moving more and more to real-time data, to what we call data on the move, making sure that data is always there and data is available real-time for what we need. The second thing is first-party data. As the privacy landscape has been evolving at different companies in the industry doing different things. We obviously understanding that we need to rely more and more on first-party data, on making sure that there is the right privacy and consent that goes with it, and that we can, again, turn it to the right actions. The last thing that I want to make sure I bring up is this idea of the connectivity of their interactions. And I just want to give you one example where in the past, we might say, I'm sending notifications. Right now, we're personalizing, so I'm sending a personalized notification for me. And then I follow up as needed if this is something critical to make sure I present the next action or reminder.
But what about replying to those notifications?
Exactly.
I like that one. Very cool. All of those things, connecting the journey, using the data that you know about the customer. I mean, these are all the things that the great digital companies are doing to build a better relationship and ultimately build a stronger business with their customers. That makes a ton of sense. I should probably get back down to the stage, but I can't thank you enough. It is great hearing about Intuit. Congratulations on all you've built.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having me here, and thanks for your help and partnership day today.
Awesome. All right. Everybody, Marianna Tessel, thank you so much. All right, I got to get back to the stage. I'll see you later.